DJI is back in the spotlight, once again teasing the drone world with what could be their most exciting FPV release yet. With the company's rapid pace of innovation, keeping up with each new drone model is becoming harder and harder, especially when you're trying to pick the right one for your needs. But when it comes to immersive flying, few drones can match the unique experience of the DJI Avata series. Designed as a Cinewhoop-style FPV drone, the Avata has carved out its own niche by offering a compact, durable, and cinematic flying experience that's ideal for navigating through tight spaces and capturing epic first-person footage. And now, with the Avata 3 rumored to be just around the corner, the big question is, can DJI finally deliver the ultimate FPV drone? While the Avata 2 brought a number of improvements over the original, including enhanced image quality and better stability, it still has a few noticeable shortcomings that DJI will need to address in the next generation. One of the most common criticisms of the Avata series has been flight instability. Despite being designed for smooth footage, many pilots have noted a lack of control finesse, especially in windy conditions or during high-speed maneuvers. For the Avata 3 to truly shine, DJI needs to improve the drone's aerodynamics, possibly through a complete redesign that reduces drag, lowers noise, and adds more predictable handling. A sleeker frame could also make the drone more efficient, allowing for longer flight times without increasing size or weight. Camera performance is another area where we expect major improvements. The Avata 2 is equipped with a 1x1.7-inch CMOS sensor, capable of shooting 4K at 60 FPS, which is decent, but not groundbreaking in today's market. To really stand out, the Avata 3 needs a 1-inch sensor. A larger sensor would significantly boost image quality, improve low-light performance, and offer better dynamic range, meaning richer details in both highlights and shadows. If DJI can fit a 1-inch sensor into the Osmo Pocket 3, there's no reason the Avata 3 can't follow suit. For content creators and drone cinematographers, this upgrade alone would make a massive difference. Now let's talk about obstacle avoidance. The Avata 2 currently features only upward and downward sensors, which makes sense for experienced FPV pilots flying in controlled environments. But for beginners or even professionals working in unpredictable settings, having more advanced obstacle sensing would be a huge plus. Ideally, the Avata 3 would include forward, backward, and possibly lateral sensors, allowing for customizable safety modes. That way, users could switch between full manual and assisted flight, depending on their confidence level or shooting scenario, reducing the risk of crashes without compromising on creative freedom. Another exciting leak points to a significant upgrade in the transmission system. The Avata 3 is rumored to support DJI's O3 Plus, or potentially the new Sync 4 Plus technology. This could allow for ultra-low latency video transmission at distances of up to 20 kilometers. While FPV drones typically don't fly that far, the benefit here is improved signal strength and stability, even in urban environments, forests, or areas with heavy interference. Whether you're flying behind buildings, under bridges, or through crowded indoor spaces, stronger connectivity means a smoother, more reliable experience. Battery life, while not the flashiest spec, is still a crucial part of the FPV equation. The Avata 2 offers up to 23 minutes of flight time under ideal conditions. While we don't expect a giant leap forward, small refinements in efficiency could help the Avata 3 reach around 27 to 28 minutes. That extra 4 to 5 minutes might not sound like much, but for FPV pilots, it could be the difference between getting the shot or not. So, when can we expect to see the DJI Avata 3? If DJI sticks to its usual product cycle, and if the leaks hold up, we're likely to see an official launch sometime in April 2025, possibly during the second week of the month. While the company hasn't confirmed anything yet, anticipation is building fast, and all signs point to a major reveal coming very soon. All in all, the Avata 3 could be DJI's most refined FPV drone yet, if they deliver on what the community is asking for. Smoother flight, a better camera, smarter sensors, stronger transmission, and just a bit more battery life could make this the go-to Cinehoop drone for both beginners and pros. But now we want to hear from you. What upgrades do you want to see in the Avata 3? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that bell so you're first in line when we break down the official specs and unboxing once it's released.